So here it is, the black leather interior for the ST170, currently clogging up my lounge nicely. So we do need to get these in the car. So what we got here is these nice leather seats. These are heated Recaro seats. I found these in really, really nice condition. These are the front ones. And then we also have the black leather rear seats and also all of the door cards as well. So I need to get these out of the lounge to prevent them from being bumped around over the winter. So what we're going to do now is go over to the car and take out the blue interior. Okay, so this is a pain because we can't use this door because we're too close to the house, so we're going to have to lift it over and then out. Fun times! And here it is, the fitted Recaro interior for the ST170. So yeah, really, really happy with that. Looks really good. Fits the car really well. It was the interior this car was meant to have. When I went to Ford, it was listed as having this black leather interior. So there we go, nicely fitted in the back here. I haven't put the cards in yet because we're going to be doing the welding and I don't want to be taking those on and off. Same with the front as well. I have got the cards for that, but I'm not going to do them yet. We're going to do them when the car is up and running because we still need to sort a few minor water leaks in here that is coming in around the door seals. So I need to get new door seals, and also we need the sort of cowling for around the windscreen to stop the leaks from coming in here. It's nothing major, but it's not good enough yet to put the carpet back in. Also, in the up and coming episodes, I'll probably mention we're going to be doing the gear selector cables, all the stuff for the clutch and lots of other bits and bobs down there, so we don't want to be putting the carpet back in yet. But yeah, really happy with that, and I suppose we should sit in it, shouldn't we? Yeah, as expected, really nice driving position, very good quality seats. I feel really nice, lots of support, and I'm 6'2", and these are perfect fit for me. Really nice, good head restraint there, and yeah, really nice leather. Feels quality, and you obviously got the extra side bolster there, so I would imagine with a spirited drive these would hold you in very well. So I have had Recaros before in a different car that I used to have, and I did find them very good quality, and yeah, I got on really well with them. So that's it for now, guys. More coming soon.